Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, we have metal bar B, which has been dropped into 75 milliliters of water. Heat escaping. And that water was at 20 degrees C initially. The metal bar was at 70 degrees. Okay, we also did the same thing with metal bar A. And this beaker was also 20 degrees C. And in each case, we had 75 mils, and the bar again was at 70 degrees C. So how do we determine whether the behavior of metal bar B and A will be the same or not? Or really what we're asking is which will have the greater temperature increase? For the water. Bar A or bar B? Well, recall that when we're talking about transferring heat from one object to another, what we're really interested in, especially when we're interested in, say, transferring water from a metal bar to some water, pure substances, is the following equation. Q equals M, which is the mass. I'll just write mass times the change in temperature, right, times the heat capacity, right? The heat capacity, right? And what does the heat capacity tell us? Well, it tells us how much energy is stored in a given substance as a function of the temperature of that substance, right? So something with a higher heat capacity, which is labeled CP, stores more energy per mass unit, like gram per gram, and temperature unit, such as degrees C. So in that case, if we're looking at whether the temperature increase will be greater for the case with bar B or the case with bar A, the answer is that whichever bar A or B has the greatest heat capacity will cause the greatest temperature increase. If the heat capacities are equal, then the temperature change is equal. Or the temperature increase is equal, as it were, in this case. And that's how you can determine which will have the greater, lesser, or whether they will have equal temperature increases.